Hello there and welcome to UK-Lockpickers. If you're watching this video right now, there's a good chance you're watching this through our product description page. This is Sparrows pick blanks, and this is one of the latest products to be hitting the UK and one of the latest products out of Sparrows. As you can see, this is the pick blank for the rakes. So I'll just get a rake and put it alongside here, and they come in the same thickness of 0.25, and as you can see there's enough material to make your own pick. And then with the hook, again 0.25 thick, and they are the Sparrows pick blanks. So if you fancy making your own pick blanks or your own picks even, here's the blanks to do so. Happy pick making, and I'll see you again next time. Thanks again, see you soon.